Okay. See.
Hello, how are you? Well, tonight I invite you to make a punch. It is a traditional drink we use during the cold season, during the winter, and we call ponche, fruit punch. Okay, so to do the punch, you are going to need 12 cups of water. In this case, I'm using candle water, and 3 pieces of cinnamon, just 6 pieces. And this is agua panela or dulce de piloncillo. And I also using anise seeds. So in this case, I use a pinch of seeds, anise, okay? And also, I using this fruit. This is native from Mexico, Guatemala, and El Salvador. We call tejocote. If you go to different stores for this during this seasons, they have it. So that's tejocote, and the name, the scientific name is Craterus mexican. Okay, so for 12 cups of water, you're gonna need like 6 pieces. Okay, and then yellow apple and a red apple and orange. So I already, if you look over here, I add all the fruit. And the first thing is when the water is boiling, you add the cinnamon, the anise, and the piloncillo, okay, or agua panela. And then over here is the agua panela is no longer here, it's already on the water. So, and then after that, you're going to add the pieces of fruit. So you wash your fruit real well, and then you cut your fruit. In the case of the tejocote, I only cut the part, this part, and put it in there, okay? Because if you try to cut it, it's gonna get saggy, and the purpose to get enjoy the fruit, okay? So the naranja, you cut it in half, and then you make 8 pieces. So you cut it in 4 pieces, and then 4 pieces, and then you have 8 pieces, okay? And then you add it to your ponche. So, like if you look over here, I have yellow apple, red apple, in this case it's pink lady apple, and the tejocote with the orange, and the cinnamon, the sticks, and the anise. The smell is so good, delicious smell. So if you have any question, you can ask me, and well, I hope you do it. The ponche and the sticks of cinnamon, I just cut it in half and put it in there. Okay, now I'm going to get some ponche, some fruit punch, and put it in here to delight the delicious flavor. Like you see over here, I already put the fruit because it is extremely hot. So that way I can taste it without never my mouth, right? So I have my punch ready. And right now we have a cold front. So if you have a cold front, I invite you to do the punch and enjoy it. The flavor is the smell of the anise and cinnamon and fruit. It's really delicious. Also, if you have guava, you can put guava. And in this case, I don't have it, so I don't put guava. You can add fruits and you can make your own recipe. This is an idea of the ponche. So thank you to be with me doing this, and bye-bye.